Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, I will let you know how to find the adjoint of a matrix. To find the adjoint of a matrix, you have to first know how to find the minor of the matrix, and then know how to find the cofactor of each of the matrix, and then transpose the matrix so that you can find the adjoint of the matrix. Let's say we have the 2 by 2 matrix. We have to find the adjoint of this matrix. So therefore, to find the adjoint of this matrix, let me say V transpose. The adjoint of this matrix A. This A, it means what? The adjoint of what of this matrix. So the adjoint of this matrix, it is equal to what? The B transpose. What B means? The V stands for what? The V stands for what? The cofactor. Stands for the cofactor. After finding the cofactor, then you have to transpose what? Transpose the matrix so that you can find what? The adjoint of what? Of your matrix. So therefore, let me find the adjoint of this 2 by 2 matrix. If I'm going to find the adjoint of this 2 by 2 matrix, I have to find the minor of each element. To find the minor of each element, so first I'm going to find what the minor of 1. I will delete this, I will delete this. I'm having what? I'm having only what? Only 4. So therefore, I have 4. But don't forget with what? The positive sign, negative sign, and what? Negative sign and positive sign. If I multiply 4 by what? Positive sign, I will still have what? Positive sign. The minor of 2, I will delete this, I will delete this. I'm having only what? I'm having only 3 multiplied by negative sign, which is what? Minus 3. And therefore, I have to find what? The minor of what? Of 3. If I delete this, I'm left with only 2. If I multiply with negative sign, I will have what? Minus what? I delete this, I delete this, I delete this. So therefore, I'm having what? Only what? 2, negative 2. So therefore, the minor of what? 4. I delete this, I'm having what? Only what? I'm having only 1 multiplied by positive sign, which is what? Still the same thing, positive 1. So therefore, I have to transpose what? I have to transpose this what? This matrix, the cofactor. So therefore, I will have 4 minus what? Minus 3, minus 2, and what? And 1. So therefore, this is what? This is the adjoint. The adjoint of this 2 by 2 matrix. The easy way to find the adjoint of what? Of 2 by 2 matrix, you have to first look what? You have to first look to the matrix. So therefore, you have to swap 1 and what? 1 and 4. So therefore, you will have 4, and therefore you will have what? You will have 1. And therefore, the 3 and 2, you have to what? You have to keep them the way they are. So therefore, you will get 3 and 2. But you have to what? You have to keep them with what? Negative sign. So therefore, in case of objective question, you can use what? This way to find what? The adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix.